Welcome to our guide on washing organic fabrics. Understanding the right techniques can make a significant difference in maintaining the quality and longevity of your garments. Let's explore the best practices for washing organic materials effectively. Washing at a cool temperature, around 30 degrees Celsius, is crucial for protecting the fibers of organic fabrics. This gentle approach helps maintain the integrity and softness of the material, ensuring your clothes last longer and stay comfortable. Using a gentle cycle and mild, fragrance-free detergent is essential for organic fabrics. This combination minimizes wear and tear, preserving the fabric's natural qualities and preventing irritation from harsh chemicals or strong scents. Air drying is recommended for organic fabrics. Avoiding tumble heat helps prevent shrinkage and damage, keeping your clothes in their best condition. This method is not only gentle on the fabric, but also environmentally friendly. Thank you for choosing Luxe Green Style. By following these washing guidelines, you ensure the longevity and quality of your organic garments. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable fashion care.